morning, everyone. Welcome to my new home. This is the living room. As you can see, there's a million boxes that I still need to get rid of. Haven't done that yet. Maybe I'll do that later. It's currently about 8:30, so not too bad. I got up around 6:30 or so. Got a bunch of stuff done that doesn't involve the internet. I'm just gonna do my makeup while I'm talking, just kind of giving you some updates. The internet guy was supposed to come in on Friday to when the day I moved in, you know, get everything all sorted, all this stuff. And then he comes in and he's just like, you know, the person before you never had like internet. They didn't have, like, we don't have the correct cable, or it's old or something like that. And I was just like, oh, okay. So he's like, we're gonna come in Sunday afternoon and get it installed for you. I was like, okay, that's fine, like I'll be here. So like Brendan and I, we watched a movie, we just kind of like hung around the apartment waiting for this guy. And then I call around 4 o'clock or 3:30 or something, being like, hey, just like wondering when's this person coming? And they're like, oh no, they're not coming. They're gonna come tomorrow between 8 and 5, so this is Monday. So Monday, I'm waiting. I was running to go into errands. I got a bunch of stuff for the apartment, which I'll show you later. Just a little haul. But I'm like waiting for this guy and he never showed up. So I was like, what the hell, like what's going on? So I call again. He's like, oh no, like they forgot to come. Like they'll be coming at 5:45. So I wait. Call around 6:30 and I'm like, what the, like where is this guy? And then this other person told me, he's like, oh no, like you don't have the right, we don't have the right cables coming in. So like, we don't know when we'll come. And I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. So I've been a little frustrated, to say the least. So anyways, so they're supposed to come at 9 a.m. Like I think I already said that, it's about 8:30. So hopefully they'll show up. I haven't heard anything of someone telling me they're on their way or anything like that. So I just don't know. Also, I've been using this foundation the past little while and it's pretty nice. It's the Revolution Conceal and Define. It's kind of light for me. This is F4, but where did I put the brush? Here. But like, I don't know, it's also super pale. Oh, I could have like blended that out before. But yeah, anyway, so besides that, I've just been kind of working around the house or the apartment, tidying things up, getting things a bit organized, because when I have internet, I'm not really going to be doing these things because I have a lot of work I need to catch up on. So it's been a little hectic the past couple days, but regardless, I guess I shouldn't have started this vlog on like an upsetting or annoying note, so sorry about that. Yeah, this is my new place. I'm really happy with it. There's a lot of natural light, like sunlight and everything, which I'm really happy about. My plants are just killing it. Marlin over there is already grown. Oh yeah, sorry if you're new here, I named my plants. It's a bit weird, but whatever. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with how it looks. Fine, that's the couch that I was talking. Oh no, oh yeah, okay, I'm really sorry. I vlogged last week, but it took me forever to get like the footage uploaded because I was busy and didn't have any internet on Friday, because that was when I was moving. So all that footage, I asked on Instagram if you'd rather me start a new vlog like this, just kind of updating everyone, or just posting my old one like today. Everyone wanted a new one, so that's fine by me, because last week was literally just me packing and apologizing for not really being attentive on my vlog. But yeah, so that's the couch behind me. I'll do like, I don't want to do like a full tour because I feel like that's kind of weird if you know the layout of my apartment, like while I'm living here. So maybe I'll do like a moving out apartment tour, but I'm sure you'll kind of piece it all together with the amount of vlogs and videos I'll do in here. I haven't decided on like if I want to film in my bedroom like I did before. It's kind of been nice not being in my room as much before. Like in my mom's house, I was in the basement and like my office was down there, like my filming studio was down there, like in the basement all day basically. I would come up to eat and cook. Like that was, and like hang out with my siblings and stuff, but everything I needed was down there and needed to do. So it's kind of nice now spending more time in this common area rather than in my bedroom. So I'm kind of enjoying that. So I don't know if I want to just keep my filming in there. It's super bright, which is nice. So yeah, it's been an adjustment moving from a house to an apartment. Like last night I left my lunch that I had for work in the car and I was like, oh, I don't want to go all the way downstairs and get it because it's like all the way downstairs. You have to go to the parking garage and then come all the way back up. And I was like, ugh, it's cold enough outside, it'll be fine for tomorrow. And that's that was the realization I had last night, where I was like, oh yeah, I guess I can't just like never go outside and have it within like 30 seconds. So it's different. Like I hear when people are coming into their apartments, I hear all their dogs, I hear when they drop things, I smell what they're cooking and everything like that. So it's been an adjustment, but like it's not awful. There are worse things in the world. So, but I'm very happy with the space. I think it looks beautiful. I'm happy with the location. Like things are close. I'm not having to, you know, I can walk places and I'm not like up for us dying. I haven't really had the chance to like explore. Like I've only been here for a little bit. Obviously like I'm in the same city, like I grew up here. So like I know the place, but I haven't really taken the chance to explore new things in the area or really meet a bunch of people in the building. I've met dogs because that's more my thing of seeing dogs, but there are actually a lot of dogs on my unit or on my floor. Like you walk down the hallway coming home or just walking down the hallway and you hear like every unit has a dog and they're just going at it, and it's different to say the least. It's like the welcoming you get when you come home, but it's like not. I also am in the living room right now. The IKEA Alex drawers are flippin' heavy and I can't move it on my own, so I need like help moving it, but like I think I need like the hand truck to move it because it's just solid and I can't take the drawers out. I thought I could do it and I don't want to scratch the floors, so I was like, all right, I'm just gonna wait and kind of leave it at this. Anyway, so my plan for today is just kind of film this video, give you guys an update, show you around, show you some of the things I've purchased for this place, and then once the internet comes, I think I'm just gonna upload this video. I don't want to do a full day. I did say on Instagram I was gonna film last night, but like once I got home I was super tired. I was cooking dinner and I was kind of just like, you know what, I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning because, you know, it's supposed to be a sunny day. Yesterday was a bit gloomy when I got home, so like the light wasn't as good. I figured I'd do it like this. So you're getting me the day of. I haven't done black eyeshadow as a liner in a long time. Feels weird. It's actually really funny like how you can hear people in like people upstairs. Like this morning there was all I heard was, Michael, get out of bed, get out of bed. It was like 7:15. I was like, oh, kids gotta get to school or work, I don't know. But I just thought that was kind of funny because I'm in my bathroom like getting ready to dry my hair after the shower, and then like this mom's like yelling at her kid or husband, I don't know. But I just thought that was really funny because I was like, well, it's like I'm home, it's like I never left, and my mom's yelling at my brothers to get out of bed. So there are a few things, like I feel like once I get like more lighting in here at night, and if I get like hang up a few photos, that sort of thing, I think it'll look a bit more homey and cozy and stuff. Oh, actually, what mascara do I want to use? L'Oreal, when I did that event with them for TIFF, they gave me this voluminous carbon black. Maybe I'll try that. The makeup artist put it on my face, but I didn't. Wow, that's very black. I feel like this is something you use when you're having like full glam, not just throwing on makeup for the day. Very dark. Okay, now I'm really glad I put on eyeliner. That would have looked really weird. What do I want to wear? Do I want pink? No. I think I'm just gonna do what I do every day. Although I haven't done this in a while, I've put liner on. Ow, this really needs to be sharp and this hurts my lip. It's actually funny, I was at HomeSense on Monday while I was kind of waiting for the bell guy. I was like, I don't want to be cooped up in the apartment all day waiting for this guy with no internet. Like, I want to be productive. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go out and do a bunch of errands and get a bunch of stuff, because when I'm like moving in, I had nothing. Like, I ate soup, like I had microwavable soup out of my soup bowl, and I ate it with a wooden serving spoon because I had nothing. But I was at HomeSense and I saw they had all this like Christmas stuff. I was like, oh my god, everything is so pretty. Wow, that's a weird lip color. I don't know why it's so, maybe it's the camera. I thought that looked fine. Oh yeah, my brows. My eyebrows. But I was like, oh, everything is just so Christmassy. It's so pretty. I want like Christmas hand towels and like little decorative pieces for like Christmas, and they had like Christmas coffees I wanted to try, and I'm just like, but I don't need that. I need like a cheese grater, and I need a dish rack and all this. So I was like, I have to buy these things. Like I spent like $100, or no, I didn't. I think I spent $70 at HomeSense, and I didn't get anything pretty. I got like some things that were pretty, but like they were useful, so. But anyway, I think I'm gonna leave my face at that. I'm gonna do my hair later, I guess. I don't know. I don't need to do it now. I hate doing my hair. I don't know why. Okay, so we're up. So this is my, oh yeah, I'll show you. No, I think I'll do that in another video because I still have a few things I want to get. But my game board collection, guys, I'm so happy because my mom and I, like, we both love playing board games and everything. So when I was going through it, I was like, oh, I actually own a lot of board games. But then I was like, oh, but my mom owns the really fun ones. So now I'm kind of like, okay, I need to like set aside some money to get all these games that I want. Like I remember, I think it was last year or the year before, I was bored one day, and because I used to work at a game store, so I walked around the store. I was bored at work, and I started writing down like the ultimate game board cupboard, because you know what else do you do? When I'm a list person, so I just make lists all day long of things I need to do, things I want, like things, my goals, like all that sort of stuff. So anyway, so I wrote the ultimate game board list, and I went through it last night. I was like, oh my god, like, so I started putting like check marks on things that I had, and then dots of things that I want like now, and then things that I want like later on, sort of thing. So gotta keep saving. But anyway, I'm gonna show you my kitchen because I'm really happy with it. Ignore the dish and my water bottle over there because that's not really tidy, but oh, it's not even in focus, I'm sorry. Got a toaster, got a kettle, got some pots and pans, didn't have that earlier, so that's kind of nice. This is my little like corner. This is like the first thing I set up when I moved in, but I got these like charcuterie board, have a little fake plant from IKEA that used to be, this fake plant was above my filming area in the old place, and then this is just a pot I got from Indigo, and then Brendan got me this for my birthday. It's just a little mister for my plants, so yeah. And then I have a candle and body lotion because when I'm doing dishes my hands get super dry, so I figured just being super extra, I'll take an extra body lotion that I had and put it there. But I thought it was very cute, and the perfect little setup here. And then my tea and coffee and everything that I use in the morning, like vitamins and everything, is all here. Here I have all of my mugs. So I have a ton of Starbucks mugs, I realized. Let me know in the comments if you collect these, what are they called? Been There series. So that one's from Chicago. Just recently went to Banff, so of course I had to pick one up, but yeah, I'm just super happy. And then the big ones I have are London and Seattle, obviously because it started in Seattle. But then I'm gonna go to New York next year, so I wanna get a New York one as well. But yeah, so that's kind of in there. And then just a million boxes. But this is the couch I picked up last week. Super happy with it. It's a pull-out couch. So my sister's coming tonight. I'm so happy. I miss her so much. Like, I knew I was gonna miss her and like my family and all that stuff, but like, God, I miss her. So as annoying as she is sometimes, I miss my big sister. So she's coming tonight and staying over, so that's the pull-out couch she's gonna stay on, and all that stuff. So we have pink sheets for her, like, and I have my old duvet. I'll show you. I just kind of have it in the hall closet. She's so cute. So these are my old sheets from university, and I told her, I was just, because for the duvet, which is like down there, I haven't opened yet, but I was like, oh Beth, they're queen sheets, like they're princess sheets with the, like, just because they're like that kind of old design, flowery design. I don't know, it's from IKEA, but I was like, Beth, look. She's just like, I can be a princess. I was like, yes. But anyway, my room is a bit not organized. It's not messy, it's just not organized. I don't know where to put things. So this is what it looks like. This is obviously like the same bed as before. Clothing rack didn't make it in the move. this bit snapped right off. So I'm gonna have to take that apart and then go get my other one that I left at home because I had two in my room. But like these are just little like pictures that I have of Polaroids. Down there's my jewelry. I want to get like a picture thing, ignore that, that was from the previous person. Or like, I don't know, maybe like a gallery wall. I don't really know because like this wall is blank as well, obviously. I'll show you, I'll pop it on the screen. Hello. But there's a thing on Pinterest that I saw from like this angle, and I kind of want to recreate that as well, but like make it my own. So, you know, having the clothing rack here, getting a little table, putting all that stuff on it, and it like my shoes and my purse, and I just think it could be nice. I also don't know what to post on Instagram because I'm happy that October is over because like it was a very stressful month for me, and like now I'm kind of starting fresh and all that stuff. But at the same time, I'm like, November, it's like, I don't know if people want to see Christmas content yet. I don't know like what's kind of gonna happen with all that. Part of me wants to like start getting my Christmas gift guides going. I want to get my Christmas like lists. I just bought Christmas cards, so let me know if you want a Christmas card. DM me your address or whatever. Don't post it publicly. Don't be that person. But yeah, no, I want to send Christmas cards this year. So I have a list of everyone that I want to send it to, and all that. So I need to start asking for their addresses because now I'm an adult and I guess I need to know that information of my friends and family and stuff. So anyway, I kind of wanted to leave it at that. I'm gonna take photos for Instagram and all that stuff and post as I go. So you want to follow me on that, and sharing more apartment homey bits. Very happy with where my life is right now. Like it's very exciting. There are a lot of new things coming up. I have 2 project launches before Christmas, so that's really exciting and getting me really busy. Also getting me really, you know, anxious because I've been struggling the past little bit without internet, and having to use a lot of my data to send emails back and forth and everything and open files. But regardless, it is it's been a fun time. I'm enjoying this adulting process. But yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys. Oh yeah, there is a face mask I wanted to quickly mention. So in the previous video that you guys saw before I went away, or no, when I came home, was getting some of my packages, and Alia Skin sent me their face mask, and I thought that was amazing. Because at first it reminded me of the pink clay from Mario Badescu, and I ran out of that. So like it's currently like the time of my month, I guess, but before then I always got, like a week before, I always got terrible, I don't like this lighting right now, I always got terrible massive hormonal spots. So it said that this will help that, like help clear your skin, so you do it a week before. So I was like, okay, and I felt one coming like right here, and then I felt one here, which I always get in that spot. But look at my skin right now. Look, like nothing. Like there's a small spot, I think that's more a scar. That's like, it didn't even come and it's already fading. I'm so happy with it. Anyway, it reminds me a lot of the Origins Rose Clay Mask without the beads, like the exfoliating beads. I just think it's really, really nice, and I'm really happy with it. I'm so impressed with my skin at this time of my month. So yeah, I'm just super happy with it. Anyway, this video has been very honest and very open about my life, telling you all of this stuff, and now you know my cycle. So yeah, interesting. Sorry if there's any dudes watching this. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Subscribe for more. No, it's just really nice. It's nice to also vlog and like share this part of my life, but also selfishly for me to look back and watch this later on and see where I am a year from now. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're excited for the new moving content, or not moving content, I already moved in, but the more homey content. Gonna be lots of shots of me pouring coffee with my French press, and it's just lots of beet rolls. I'm really excited, and I feel very adult. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hopefully this video will be up today because that means I have internet, so that will be great. I'm gonna film what's on my iPhone today, like probably just after this, and then that'll be up later this week or Monday. Hopefully Friday. So I hope you can stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram for all of the home Pinterest inspired content, and I hope you enjoy. So have a good day. I will see you all in my next video, hopefully. Thank you for watching. Bye.